In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery on the ASUS Chromebook CM14 and Enterprise CM14. Before starting, ensure that you back up your files. Also, have all parts ready. First, check the safety precautions in the ASUS service manual. Next, take proper ESD precautions and power off the laptop. Loosen the 4 screws and remove the 2 screws. Use the plastic blade to pry open the bottom case. Remove the bottom case. Tear off the tape. Push the iron sheet up. Disconnect the red cable side first. Disconnect the black cable side. Push the battery bracket L and R latches into the unlocked position. Remove the battery with battery cable. Tear off the battery acetate tape. Rotate the battery. Tear off the battery acetate tape. Rotate the battery. Separate the battery cable. Separate the battery bracket L. Separate the battery bracket R. Connect the battery cable. Paste the battery acetate tape. Rotate the battery. Paste the battery acetate tape. Rotate the battery. Install the battery bracket L. Install the battery bracket R. Align and put the battery into the original position. Push the battery bracket L and R latches into the locked position. Connect the black cable side first. Connect the red cable side. Push the iron sheet in. Paste the tape. Align and paste the 2 battery bracket sponges. Assemble the bottom case at a slight tilt at upper side. Gently press down on the bottom case until it clicks into place. Follow the screw numbers to fasten the 6 screws. If you need additional help, please contact the Service Center. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS Support Channel. Like the video or share your comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.